Jam food cart. Hey, so you alright? Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Huh? Oh, sticky rice, nice. Free for 120. What's free for 120? What did they do for free for 120? What is that? What's that? Bubble tea?
Ay, bubble. At this.
Sweet tea. Yo! Hello, my friend!
Belly.
Belly.
Boneless lechon.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
May Diyos sir, libre sabaw sa Lipare.
Hello. Hi. You're smiling underneath there. Look, look. What's up? What do you want? You want some food? What do you want? Show me what you want.
I want you. And myself.
What do you want?
So.
What do you want? Huh? You want one of those?
Tulo.
1, 2, 3 pieces. Free.
Ito.
Free.
Hello.
It's free though.
Ano ko?
Ah. Quick. Nice. Quick. No. Stomach's full. Drink, sister.
Masay mo.
No, that's not. Shout out.
Kasama ng imo.
Hold on, Em. Let me see if I got 100.
You have a 100 there. Where's your 1,000?
I'll put it back. Thank you.
Hello.
Hey.
Pass this way, yeah? Sir.
Hi. Wow.
Hindi mo tari diri. Waya.
Hi. Hoy, boss. Hello. Hi. Oh, shit. You alright? Yo, you alright?
Well, this side they seem to have shoes.
100, 100. Huh? You want to go back? That was quick. There's only a little bit there. I thought you said you wanted to walk. Wow. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi. You right?
Hello, subscribe this channel.
Yes, subscribe. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Eh, dia kan usah
Huh?
My friend!
Yo, what's up? What's up?
This over there.
Oh, she's over there. Yo, my friend. Hello. Hello. Balut.
Eat balut.
No, not me.
Naguna jud ka. Abi ni Mante naguna mi.
Where you been?
Sige, bisimi dito yung dito noon.
Do you want us to do iced coffee here? Iced coffee, you see? The full strawberry cream, mocha caramel. Huh? You want coffee? You don't want? Hello.
Hello, sir.
Can I have a caramel, please?
Yes, sir.
You want one?
Mancha.
Matcha?
Hmm.
I don't have matcha, sir.
Nang tagag matcha.
Walay matcha, sir. Wala dyan may matcha.
Welcome to the vlog.
Abi ako nagmancha.
Come on, subscribe to the channel.
Dami
Get your-
available,
sir.
Huh?
Ano siya dito po? Kaya lang ko.
Coffee base ang nasa babaw. Ang kanang tursobos, mga non-coffee na.
Yes. Kaya lang ko.
Caramel. Caramel. Dua ka caramel, ate. Ano ba?
Why is it 37 coffee? Because it's 37 pesos.
Yes.
Okay.
A total of 7.4.
In Cebu, it's 39 pesos.
Yeah.
But I like caramel. The caramel is nice. Okay. Better subscribe to the channel.
What's your channel, sir?
Get your
Can
YouTube.
Yes, I have.
Go YouTube.
Hirap na ipang-post ko link mo.
Ganito lang yung hangin sa likod.
Another subscriber. Hold on a second.
What is your channel?
What's your name?
Rajan.
Region.
Thanks.
Is that, bro?
Thank you. Thank you. Alright, brilliant. Thank you very much. Let's taste this coffee. Ah. I just got a caramel iced coffee.
Caramelized ko.
Tama, excited dito sa. Butang din na.
And I got it from this place here. 37 coffee. And it's not bad. It's alright. It's right.
Ginawa na. They have a photos here.
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay, display here. Display like that.
On this side over here, you got bars and restaurants. Good evening. Hi. Oh, look at that food.
Ano, ma'am? Tapos na mo?
Okay. Sorry store there. And this is where we ate earlier on. Yeah. Yo, bad boy. No, this is what we ate earlier on. Not there. There. Let's put this in the bin. Is the bin? Yeah. Rubbish in the bin. Okay, time?